In today's video, we're going to be having a look at Binance Coin and Bitcoin. Of course, PointPay right here, it is on my watch list. That's just because I invested in the ICO. They also made an article about it on Forbes, so it should be pretty big. The ICO ended with approximately 55 million of fund or allocation round, whatever you guys want to call it. Pretty big. We got 6,400 people on the watch list, so that's nice. Anyways, having that being said, let's dive into the charts. We're starting off with Bitcoin real quick because Bitcoin is king as always. So guys, first of all, we are still in a descending channel. A lot of people are calling this a falling wedge. Now, I don't know how accurate that would be, but the channel would essentially be something like this, which we are still in. Okay, we had that nice little fake out right here, and we've been bouncing essentially up and down between this channel right here. Now, can we essentially break out of this channel for once and for all? Yes, very possible. I would like to see a nice clean breakout to 38,000 in order for us to have a nice clean and effective run essentially. But a lot of people are calling right now that cryptocurrency is in a bear market. As you guys can see right here, by CoinDesk, a tweet. For you guys who don't know, follow me, Crypto Dose with 2 E's in the end. Okay, so they're calling this a bear market. As you guys know, we've been in the bear market ever since we broke below the exponential moving average. I'll have a look at that in just a second. But they're also calling that the bear market won't last as long, which is great. That being said, let's have a look at let's go back to this real quick. So this is the descending channel that we are having, which is actually pretty bullish in my opinion. And now people are calling, I don't know how accurate this would be, but people, if you bring this like this and you squeeze this like a little bit tighter, then people are saying that this is a falling wedge, but I don't think this is accurate enough for it to be a falling wedge, unfortunately. Having a look at the EMA ribbon, guys, we've been, ever since I said that we broke above right here, which was April 21st, ever since I said that, once we break the EMA ribbons, we would essentially get rejected. I mean, we would essentially start a bear market, and that's exactly what happened, because if I zoom out right here and I come back, these EMA ribbons essentially have been holding us in this whole bull market, which is great, fantastic. November, December, January, February, March, April. Even I could even go before that, since September 2020. So that being said, now we are actually in a bear market, and it's actually gonna flip, as you guys can see. So now we are getting a strong resistance from these ribbons. Now, it's very possible that we come to 38,000 and then get rejected once again. That's very possible. We're gonna have to see how things play out in very soon, next couple of weeks. We also have a slight resistance right here. If I take out the VPV or volume profile, visible range, 1 second, sorry, that was not it. Anyways, the point of control should be around this level where we're trending right now, and I believe that we are below it. As you guys can see right here, we just made a break above the pivot. This is the pivot right here, the pivot point standard. Now, this is only good for Forex, so nothing too crazy. Let's have a look. So we are below the point of control, as you guys can see right now. So in my opinion, very possible that we come retouch that before getting rejected, which is 37,000. We also got a slight resistance on there. On the weekly time frame, guys, we are still pretty bullish in my opinion. Let's have a look on the weekly time frame, having a look at the exponential moving average. Yeah, we're still bullish, nothing too crazy over here. We're still holding, unless we break that, then that's bad news bears for us. But until further notice, or until that we break that, I don't think Bitcoin's going down. Having a look at BNB, guys, on the daily time frame, short analysis on BNB, Binance Coin. First of all, we are also getting rejected right here on the EMA ribbon, as you guys can see. This is how you know that technical analysis does work. Because if I take this and I zoom in right here, we got two nice little wicks and rejection at the 20 exponential moving average. So TA does work at the end of the day, which is pretty interesting. And we are also actually in a ascending triangle. So if I take this on a daily and I extend that, okay, and I put this right here, we are actually in an ascending triangle. As you guys can see, we are making higher lows right now. Now let's assume that Bitcoin is going up and it keeps going up, and then I wouldn't be surprised if BNB makes a nice little breakout to approximately $370. Let's have a look. If we take this and we make a nice little exit at the triangle, sorry, where's this thing? So our target would essentially be 360. Yeah. Now, how interesting is that it meets exactly with the last EMA ribbon right here. So we could essentially still get rejected by here. So we could essentially go up, yes, but essentially get rejected and come back down. That's very, very possible. And this is how interesting these EMA ribbons work, because let's assume that it's between 360 and 370. This is where the support is. So if I take these out, we got support right here. I mean resistance, sorry. So and it's right in the middle. So it's actually very, very interesting that our target is right in the middle, and it meets exactly with essentially our target. So that being said, guys, I would only, of course, take this trade if we see a nice little close above the daily candle, or the 4-hour, I mean daily candle. Having a look at the 4-hour, essentially, we are seeing a nice little W pattern, which is very, very beautiful right now. I don't know if I would call this a double bottom, but we are seeing a W pattern, and a break above 310 would essentially bring us to 360, which is the same target as the ascending triangle. So nothing too much to see over here, guys. The Bitcoin dominance is going up. In my opinion, for us to see another altcoin season, we're gonna need to see the Bitcoin dominance essentially go back up. Sorry, this is the Bitcoin dominance. My bad, guys. The Bitcoin dominance right now is currently below 46. And in my opinion, we're going to have to see Bitcoin dominance to go back up in order for the altcoins to follow along. Because if Bitcoin goes down, altcoins go down, and that's just not good. Anyways, that being said, if you guys like this video, of course, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys tomorrow.